Here I have BLACKBERRY Z10 and let me show you how to take screenshots on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's open the screen that you want to capture. In my case, it could be simply the list of applications, and now all you have to do is simply use the following combination of keys: volume down and volume up. Let's hold down together these two keys just for 2 seconds. As you can see, screenshots saved in your personal space. So let me take the screenshot again. Let's hold down together volume down and volume up. So let's simultaneously press these two keys. And as you can see, just capture the second screen. Alright, now if you would like to share, edit or delete taken screenshots, you have to find the pictures right here. And here you can, for example, choose album, let's choose camera, and here you've got your pictures, your screenshots. So now you can share, edit, delete, or do whatever you want with the following screenshots. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.